Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do a ghostly sound effect. I already made a video like that, but this one is a little bit different. It's the same kind of sound effect, but it's a little different, and my other video is really shitty. So, what you do is you record and leave a little bit of space before you record. So, hi, I'm a ghost. Then you click that and you do Control D to duplicate it. Then you click that again, and then you reverse. G-verb. G-verb. I'll do it about 3 this time, because that's when it sounded best before. And now you... what do you do now? You reverse it. Alright. And now you can either... Now here's something. You can either do this, you can either move that, or you can move this. It'll be exactly the same, but this just if you move the top one, then it just makes it longer. So now you raise this about 5, and I'm gonna listen to it. Alright, I'm gonna move that back a little bit. Yep. That's great. Tune that up a bit. How does this sound? No. How about this? Yep. That's perfect. So that's how you're gonna have to kind of play around with a little bit. You mix and render those, and then for this, I'm just going to turn it up a bit for you so that you can hear it. So here you go. Oh, whoops.
Hi, I'm a ghost.
So, yeah, there you go. Goddamn pop-ups. Fucking hate that shit.